everybody, welcome back to Care Embodied. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button for the plug on the all natural toxin free skincare products, the wellness tips, the vegan eats, all that. If you are returning, hello again. And today, on this Wednesday, we're doing a unboxing for our spring collection, our garden collection, announcing giveaway winners. And I may throw a little discount coupon somewhere in here, so stay tuned. But yeah, let's just get into it. Anyways, like I was saying, so we got 2 boxes for our spring collection. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. Is y'all ready? All right, I'm gonna get into it. Y'all saying, yeah. All right. Isn't she beautiful? We'll get to this later. She's so beautiful, y'all. Look at her. Oh my god. Look at it. Okay, so let me stop playing so much, G. Hold on. So, all right, okay, I had to get the ring light together. So this first box is our Eden box. So this box has of course you can see, so we got the pink rose scrub, right? So first of all, this box's theme, if you were participating in the giveaway, was rose. So we got our pink rose scrub, of course. So we got our Eden body oil. So the main notes of Eden scent is rose, raspberry, and coconut. It smells so good. Like, I cannot explain to y'all how good it smells. It's so light and floral. It got like a little fruity hint to it. It got a couple other scents like almond, coconut, orange, lime, rose, jasmine, raspberry. Like, it smells so good. Like, perfect spring scent. So uplifting, so pretty, so light, so floral, and a little bit of fruity. It's perfect. So you got the Eden body oil, you got the Eden body butter. Same thing, you got the rose, the raspberry, and the coconut. So the scents match, and you got the pink rose scrub to hint off of those two, you know what I'm saying? So then we got our THT facial toner in 2 ounce sizes. These, I will be making these available for a singular purchase, probably on the same day all of this stuff drops. So we got your THT facial toner and refresher. If you were somebody who was debating trying this, but it was too much for you to commit to 8 ounces, this for you. And the last thing is a smudge stick. If you know me, you know I'm in love with sage. Sage literally brings me peace. So this is a sage and white sage and rose smudge stick. So that's what this was. So each box is going to come with a card essentially to tell you the benefits of your smudge stick. So you got white sage and rose, dispels negative energy, promotes healing and wisdom, calms stress, anxiety, etc. And it also tells you how to use your smudge stick if this is something that is new to you. So white sage and rose smudge stick for the Eden box. And then you got, once again, your body oil, your body butter, pink rose scrub, THT facial toner, and your white sage and rose smudge stick. This scent, I just really want y'all to smell it. It smells so good. And speaking of the giveaway, shout out to Asia. I'm Asia. She won this box, the rose box. Only person to guess correctly. So I'm sending your box out to you on Friday. Asia, congratulations. And yeah, so that's the Eden box. Now let's get into this other one, honey. Okay. All right, now. All right. Okay. Almost there. Sure are. Okay. Bada bam, bada bam, bada bam. So for box number 2, which nobody won, because nobody guessed it. But this one, y'all, literally obsessed with it. This scent, I sleep in. And I don't like sleeping in scented stuff, so that says a lot. Boom. Purple. One of my favorite colors. I already know what that means. Boom. Oh, she's so sexy, y'all. Oh my god. Okay. So this is a good angle. Okay, this is the Serenity Box. So overall, same concept. The only different product was the Light Me Up oil. So I'm gonna go through it. So we got a new lavender scrub made with real lavender flowers. This is lavender is amazing for relaxation. Every time I scrub my face with this in the shower, like it just put me in a whole different vibe. Like it smells so good. So we got the lavender scrub, and then we got the Serenity body oil. So this one is lavender and vanilla scented. Both oils are AAA formulation. It just got the scents added to it, which is why it's a dark bottle. Because of the essential oil, protected from the sunlight, stuff like that. So you got the Serenity body oil, lavender, vanilla. You got the Serenity body butter. This has lavender, lang lang, and vanilla. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know if I am. But lang lang is also another flower. So this is a very relaxing scent. Like, it's so floral and very, very soft. Like I was saying, I sleep in this body butter. And I do not sleep in scented stuff. But it's so calm and relaxing and light and pretty that I can sleep in it. And lavender, like, known to help with sleep. So you got the Serenity body butter, Serenity body oil, lavender scrub. Then we got the Light Me Up oil with the lavender flowers in it. Bada bam, bada bam, bada bam. So once again, this is a multi-use oil. Sold as a part of our skincare line. So I use it for my face, but you can use it anywhere. It's really, really good for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, correcting oiliness, etc. Benefits found on the website, of course. And then here we have a blue sage and lavender smudge stick. This smells so good. Without even burning it, like just sniffing it, it smells so good. Like, oh my gosh, it makes me so excited. And I already love sage, so it's just like, then purple, my second favorite color. Like, it's just so beautiful. But so yeah, you got the blue sage and lavender smudge stick. Once again, ooh, hold on now, relax. Got the card, tells you how to use it. Blue sage and lavender, used to attract abundance, wealth, healing, removes negative energies, restores emotional balance, helps to soothe the nervous system, and more instructions on how to use it if you've never smudged your area before. So both these boxes come with these cards. I'll be adding benefits of the lavender scrub. So overall, this is, a sugar scrub, so it's ideal for your most sensitive areas. Lavender is very relaxing, helps to calm inflammation, helps with discoloration, dark spots. And then, the body butters, same overall formula. It's just the scent is different. So, seals in moisture, helps with dark spots, helps to heal any like scratches, scars, wounds, anything you have like that. Just to keep you moisturized and stuff throughout the day, But yeah, so nobody got this one. But there we go. We got our 2 boxes. And then I also want to touch on our other body butter that's dropping, but it's not in a box. So let me go grab that one right quick. Okay, so the last thing dropping for our spring collection is drum roll please, our Black Magic body butter. So this is a masculine scented body butter for the men. I finally got y'all. Like, it smells like our Black Magic beard conditioning oil minus the peppermint. Like, this is a very masculine, clean, fresh scent. Like, I don't want to say it smells like soap, but it's just so clean and refreshing. So we're gonna this is gonna be a staple item around year long. So we got the 4 ounce, the 8 ounce, and then we're gonna have the 2 ounces available only in the body butter bundle. If you want to just try it out, you're gonna have to go to the bundle for that. And then we're also going to have bundles with the Black Magic beard oil at a discounted price. So you could grab that. You could grab the smaller size with the trial size Black Magic beard oil just to try it, see how you like it or whatever. And then also forgot to mention that one of these boxes and the products inside of it will eventually become a staple item versus just seasonal. Now, which one? We don't know yet, and we won't know until the end of the summer. But These boxes will be available only as boxes for the time being. I will eventually, most likely, probably, the discount code is GRDN. Buy one, get one 30% off. That's for anything you get, whether you want to get 2 boxes, whether you want to get a beard oil in a box, whether you want to get a lip balm and a lip gloss. Buy one, get one 30% off, GRDN. But anyways, like I was saying, I'll make the products in these boxes available separately at some point in time, probably when the summer comes. But yeah, so that was it for our unboxing for our spring collection. I'm so excited for you guys to try this stuff. Like, this has been in my mind for like months, like literally since December. I've been, I don't want to say obsessing about it, but just thinking about it, trying to figure out what I want to put in here with so many different things I wanted to. Why am I talking to y'all looking at boxes? Hold on. Like I was saying, it was a whole bunch of stuff that I was trying to like decide what I wanted to put in the boxes. It was like I had to do a couple different trials with the smells. Like, it was smells I had tried out, they didn't work, or they was too similar to each other. It was a whole bunch of stuff that went into this. I've been plotting on these boxes since at least November, and it's just such a beautiful thing for me to see them come to life and to be able to share these things with y'all. Like, it just makes me so happy. When I first put these boxes together a few minutes ago, like, I literally was in here like screeching. Like, they just look so beautiful to me. And this started in my brain, so to see it in real life is just hitting different. But yeah, I'm very excited for you guys to try everything. And yeah, it's dropping on Sunday, March 20th. Make sure you subscribe if you didn't subscribe already, and check out our other videos. Take care of yourself, and yeah.